Hey, it's John. Just real quick, wanted to post an update that LAANC is now accepting night authorization requests for recreational flyers. So if you're not initiated, recreational just means you do not have your Part 107 license. So you fly just for fun. The only thing that the FAA requires for a recreational flyer is to just go get your trust, which is an exam. And I'll put a link to that in the description. Also, the registration of the drone, if it's above 250 grams. So if you have like a Mini 2 or a Mini 3, and you haven't added any accessories, then it would not need to be registered. But if you go into the FAA safety website, you can put in a LAANC approvals, and I'll put a link to that as well in the description. So again, if you are a recreational flyer, you can now use LAANC to request nighttime flights. So at the time of this recording, which is the 24th of February in 2023, the automated system had not been updated. So I'll put a link in the description to the automated LAANC approval that the FAA uses. As soon as you put a nighttime flight, it shows an automatic rejection. So the automated one has to be updated. The manual entry of a LAANC approval on the FAA website, I put one in 3 days ago. Typically, LAANC approvals will take about a week to 2 weeks. I know they say, do a request like 90 days before your flight, but it usually doesn't take that long. So I've got the request in, and we'll see if it comes back approved. So I picked some place that had a 200-foot ceiling. I put my flight at 100 foot. I put night flights. And even though I'm a Part 107 pilot, I put it in as a recreational LAANC request. So we'll see what happens with that. And so thanks for your time. I let a few days lapse where I didn't put any content up. It's been raining outside, and I want to do some product reviews of a couple of drones, but it's just been too windy. These are these are toy drones. And so any kind of wind and they're gone. So anyway, look for those to come soon. Thanks. Talk to you later.